Me not get no chance. Right? She come over my life. She use Lady P page and comment. Disrespect me in the life. She go over her IG. She post this. She screenshot me and post me on her IG. Say fuck her. Me lose my page, you know. Me come back, me have another page. You see, when she post me on IG, say fuck her, all of them something there. My page gone again. My second page, when me just be ban again for nudity. Without a second chance, nothing. Ban. And only God can tell me say that is not the work of Ivany. Whoever she have in there, whatever they do, they have these connections. Nobody can tell me say another little girl. You know, say me always hear them say she had do things to people page. Me see them and hear them talk. And so much people can't tell lie. So much this girl she has never changed and will never change. You know why me feel it the most? Because me never trouble this girl. I've never done nothing to this girl. Me never disrespect this girl in nowhere. Me never carry out this girl in nowhere. And this girl live to attack me.
Judge.
But see one new page and me nah stop build them. And people nah stop follow me back. So me see what she go do now. Van, you're possessed by the devil himself. You hear what me tell us? Since 95% of people can have something with you. And I know you are the problem. You're possessed. And anything you look for, you're so fine. No must by me, but by somebody else. You are the freaking devil. You're evil without a cause. Me see said nobody no have to do you nothing. You just have a heart of steel. Me see said nobody no have to trouble you. Nobody no have to do you nothing. And let me tell you something. You wonder why every time in life something go wrong for you. You wonder why something go wrong. You want somebody in a something in your life go wrong because you're wicked. And wickedness can't last long. You always backfire. So that's why you will never be truly and fully happy because you will never stop being evil.
Sure.
Oh, me find out because after me pay, she can't talk today, no, she can't talk, so she joined with agency today. You hear what she say? She say, once you're part of the thing, they work for TikTok so they can unblock you. Right? She come today, she approved today, she get through. She come. As soon as she come now, remember you know my page ban now. Me have a new page now. The new page ban to as soon as she start posting me on IG. My page ban as soon as she troll me comments and me block her. My page gone. And what should that be a coincidence? If Ivany come over here with how much page since night, just for this me, with how much page, she come with Lady P page, she come with fear page, she come with fake page, just for this me. So tell me, who else on God's green earth? Me first said I do it. And I don't like nobody, and I don't like me daddy sorry now, for she can't diss me now. She just walk freely pan her own, to come over here, to tell me, say, or to make me know, say, she glad me lose my page. Out of nowhere, she post on her IG, make video, say she glad.
Don't know.
I mean, I fuck her. I forgot. I not even remember what she comment with Lady P page say. If you no can remind me. Because the way she comment, I can't even remember everything. Me get banana without a chance. Me get banned without a... Me get banned without a chance. And you see how long me not get a ban? You see how long me not get a ban? Yes, that she comment. Right, thank you. She comment say me nah go stop Bill Page. She comment and say me nah go stop Bill Page. So what that tell you say?
She have
What that tell
always
you say?
about
Uno know me not talk. Uno know me is a silent lady. Uno know me not talk and me not fuss. So when you hear me come talk, what that tell you say? She's a evil. Hey.
Jaja.
If you go and ball over page cause she get approved today. She don't know say I'm a people them. She don't understand, you know. You see much call me get when my page get banned a while ago again. You see much call me get for my IG, for my WhatsApp. Cause me have a family, me have friends, she don't know what that is. She don't understand. She don't wait long enough to understand the meaning of friendship. She don't wait long enough to understand the meaning of friendship. She will never understand it. If me and she dead a morning, can it truly be said her life was meaningful on this earth? Can she truly look within herself? Can she look and say, well, if me dead a morning, at least my life was meaningful. At least I touched lives. At least I helped someone. I did something great with my life. I lived a good and blessed life. God forbid if me and her fi dead a morning. God forbid. I can say it.
Girl left for boy, man. Boy. A girl left for boy.
God
You hear
forbid.
that?
Listen, I have parents who love me. I have a man who love me. I have kids who love me. Me have friends who love me. Me have family who love me. We have a whole heap of people, whole heap of besties who love me. Look into yourself and say the same. Come compete with me. Say the same, little girl. Say the same.